Now we can discuss about one business opportunity that is in chemical businesses, that is caustic soda, how to make it and what are the benefits and uses. The same caustic soda concept is there in my web page also, in my website. I will give the link in my description also. While clicking on the link directly you can see my web page also. So that is the information I want to share with you. And caustic soda, how to make it. Sodium hydroxide is also known as lye, and caustic soda is an organic compound with the formula NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Nearly all caustic soda is generated by the electrolysis of sodium chloride solution using of three cell types: mercury, diaphragm and membrane cells. The electrolysis process produced 2.25 tons of 50% caustic soda with each ton of chlorine. The sodium chloride solution is often called brine. Where caustic soda produced? Where is caustic soda produced? Caustic soda is produced as a liquid. These are produced by passing an electrical current through brine, common salt dissolved in water. So the technical definition is usually caustic soda is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Then function of caustic soda, how it will be. Caustic soda is a versatile alkali. Its main uses are in the mainframe of manufacture of pulp and paper, alumina, soap and detergents, petroleum products and chemical production. Other applications include water treatment, food, textiles, metal processing, mining, glass making and others. Function of caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide formed at the cathode is produced at the anode, that is H2 and NaOH are produced at the cathode. The net effect of this is that there is a formation of sodium ions and hydroxide ions around the cathode, that is formation of sodium hydroxide solution around the cathode. Get necessary permits from local authorities. If you are considering starting this type of business, then you should ensure that you are secure the necessary permissions from the government before it. It is important to state that this type of businesses can be started on a small scale. Why government permissions are required means you should not have any. Suppose if you are starting a manufacturing unit means for the time being you should not get any objections from the surrounding residential complexes and all these. So if you are having the permission means it will be permanent. So that you should get permissions from local authorities and all these. Then it will be successful to you. What is the use of caustic soda? Its main uses are in the manufacture of pulp and paper, alumina, soap and detergents, petroleum products and chemical production. Other applications include water treatment, food, textiles, metal processing, mining, glass making and others. Caustic soda is another name of sodium hydroxide. It is used in soap and detergents. Will caustic soda clean my toilet? Caustic soda is a chemical that can burn, but it is very effective for unclogging toilets. To use this chemical, you need to get some rubber gloves and eye protection. You can pick the chemicals from the local hardware or grocery stores. Pour 3/4 gallon of cold water into a bucket and add 3 cups of caustic acid. While cleaning toilets and all these, you should have a mask, and as well as for eyes also you should have some transparent glasses will be there. If you maintain transparent glasses, the acid effect will not come on your eyes. So be careful regarding using caustic soda in toilets. Can I use caustic soda on plastic pipes? As long as it is used properly, lye is generally safe for use in PVC drains, live lye, which is also known as sodium hydroxide or caustic soda, can be powerful drain cleaner. It has a variety of cleaning and other uses both in industry and in the home. What happens if you touch caustic soda? Sodium hydroxide is potentially dangerous substance. It can hurt you if it touches your skin, if you drink it, or if you breathe it. Contact with very high concentrations of sodium hydroxide can cause severe burns to the eyes, skin, digestive system, or lungs, resulting in permanent damage or death. How do you handle caustic soda? When handling caustic soda, the following protective equipment is recommended. Wear suitable chemical splash goggles for eye protection during the handling of caustic soda in any concentration. Why caustic soda is used for cleaning? Cleaning agents. Caustic soda is an alkali typically used at 0.5% to 2% volume. It reacts with the fats in the soil and softens it for removal. Thus, caustic soda clear drains. Pour caustic soda down the drain. Caustic soda or sodium hydroxide is an extremely strong chemical that will dissolve most blockages in PVC pipes, clogging up your sink. Carefully pour the solution directly into the clogged sink drain. Let sit for 20 to 30 minutes without touching it. What is caustic soda used for? Caustic soda is a versatile alkali. Its main uses are in the manufacture of pulp and paper, alumina, soap and detergents, petroleum products and chemical production. Other applications include water treatment to food, to textiles, metal processing, mining, glass making and others. Why caustic soda is used for cleaning? Because I am also preparing a notes to explain you clearly and in a simple way, so that I am seeing the notes also. Why caustic soda is used for cleaning? Caustic soda or sodium hydroxide has many different uses, such as unblocking drains and making soap. The reason that drain cleaners contain sodium hydroxide is that it converts gats and grease that clog pipes into soap, which then dissolves in water, making it a very effective drain cleaner. Will caustic soda clean my toilet? Caustic soda will do it. Very dangerous, but you put in the loo and it fidgets and dissolves on the lime scale. You need to buy it in small amounts so that you can use it all and not have half-used containers of it hanging around the house. Can I use caustic soda on plastic pipes? Chemical drain cleaners are effective at clearing clogs. Clogs means that is bondages, blockings, PVC blockings. In the case of PVC pipes, cloggings. In the case of not only PVC pipes, in iron pipes also. The case of plastic pipes, the caustic materials can use a chemical reaction which produces heat and it can melt or wrap the pipe. In addition to causing pipe damage, drain cleaners can also cause serious injury if not used properly. Can you mix caustic soda and vinegar? The reaction can be violent and may. What is this? He is asking. Can you mix caustic soda and vinegar? The reaction can be violent and may damage the pipes, could release harmful gases, or may not work at all because only a small portion of the blockages is exposed to the vinegar. It is dangerous to combine caustic soda with any other chemicals in your drain, even hot water, because of the amount of heat released. Will caustic soda unblock a sink? Caustic soda or sodium hydroxide is extremely strong chemical that will dissolve most blockages, cloggings up your sink. A caustic soda drain cleaner is a drastic solution. When you add a cup or two to a gallon of water, the mixture heats up quickly and begins to fidge. If you pour the mixture into a clogged drain, it should work through the clog in 30 minutes or less. This is the information regarding caustic soda I want to share with you. And the other thing also I will say that any type of product, if we want to produce, you can have a scale, moral ethics of the scale. That scale is 70% is the working cost, 30% will be your margin. If you maintain such margin, definitely you will get in the long run you will be successful in the business. And the other thing also I will say that don't compromise regarding the quality. Even if cost is increases also, let you increase your cost, but don't reduce the quality of the product. Customer will forget the quality cost for the time being, but not quality. If you maintain such moral ethics, definitely you will be successful in the long run. Then you will get a very good business and long run also in the long run. And for the time being, being an entrepreneur, you will have a fear also. How I can suppose if I want to close this organization, how it will be done, and is it possible or not? Don't at any time, at any stage, if you want to leave the organization, or one concept is there, that is delivery submission to third party. By that concept, you can get the details in notary shops also, and as well as if you contact a contractor, a lawyer also, he will give the details how to submit to third party and all these also. By that you will get very good goodwill also by selling to third party, because already you are having land and permissions, government permissions are there, and staff and workers are there, and as well as transporters are there, and you will have very good business contracts for the time being in the last previous years. So all these will become a great asset to your business. So all these you will get double to your turnover also. You will get the goodwill double to your turnover also, because it is ready to occupy. So that you will get very good income also. By that also you can left the company and you can get very good profits. So your risk will never be spoiled at any time if you want to leave it. If you want to stay it, it is better. That is according to your choice and all this, because yeah, generally in everywhere, if business is successful means they will be around 5 to 10 years will be there, and after that what they will do is they will sell out to a third party and they will jump to another business. It may be a real estate or construction and whatever it is there, they will seek for new businesses and new income. So likewise also you can do it if you want, but one thing is, don't forget the quality, and cost will be for the time being, it will be forgettable, but quality will never be forgettable. So please maintain such moral ethics, then you will be successful, and may God bless you, and wishing you all the best.